Hey guys, today we'll understand the importance of data structures and algorithm and how this data structures and algorithms going to be in the market for coming 1 decade or 2 decade. Will this fade away from the market or it will stay in the market? How the current technological trend and upcoming technical trend like be will be impacted by this data structures and algorithm, and how in today's date data structures and algorithm is being used by the latest technologies which we have in the market right now. So things like that, we'll see everything in detail. So tuned till the last of this video. So to make you understand this, I will make you understand a term called industrial revolution, the industrial technical revolution. So currently in India, we have industrial technical revolution 4.0, meaning if we have 4.0, then at some point we might have had 1.0, 2.0, then 3.0, then 4.0, right? So we will see what exactly is this. So in the late 18th century, right? So in late 18th century, we had industrial revolution 1.0. So in industrial revolution 1.0, what happened from like labor uh, to mechanization kind of thing happened at that time. Okay, so this was mostly famous for mechanization. Okay, so mechanization came up, and also here people seen cot engine. You might have aware of cot engine, and here people seen like with the help of water, steam, people made engines kind of thing. So power engine with the help of like water, steam. So these things we have seen in industry 1.0. So when these things came up, it was like a very big boom, like how like with the help of mechanization, these things we can even do. So this was the industry 1.0 late 18th century. After that, 2.0 came early of uh, early of 20th century and late 19th century. So late 19th century and early of 20th century, we have seen 2.0, and this was mostly famous for electricity. Electricity came like the invention of electricity, bulb, like bulb came up, and it start like we have seen bulb glowing, and people were like how this like something can glow, and how we can like how this is even possible. So this was a boom at that time, and also the concept of mass production came here. So like companies started producing similar kind of product, more than one product. Suppose a bulb being a product, company started product like producing more than one bulb, similar kind of product. So that was the concept of mass production also came at this time. Then let's move forward to industry 3.0. In industry 3.0, this was late 20th century. We have seen uh, here we have seen internet came, then people started connecting to each other. Those people were like how we are able to connect with each other. So the concept of internet came, and the concept of computer came up. So we have seen one computer being getting connected with another computer, and things like that we have seen over here. Okay, so and also like this was other like this were the few key innovation you can say. And also we have seen some key innovation like the telecommunication and some extent of automation also we have seen here. Okay, so some extent of automation also came up in the industry 3.0. Now coming to industry 4.0, which we have currently in the India. So in India we have this right now going on. So as part of Industry 4.0, we have seen a very big revolution. The AI concept, AI came, artificial intelligence, the machine learning concept, big data analytics. BDA, big data analytics concept came. IoT, Internet of Things came. Okay, and cyber security, cloud computing, still augmented reality, virtual reality, is computing, concept of blockchain. Okay, concept of blockchain, and obviously web development. web development. So these things, like, still we have lot many more. Okay, so we are not bonded with these many only, still we have a lot. So what I mean by that, right? So currently, whatever the technical term which is we have seen over here, every all the technologies which we have seen over here, this all technologies is depended on data structures and algorithm. Okay, so I will show you how data structures and algorithm is used by these all technologies. So yeah, so talking about the importance of data structures and algorithm, we'll go to the next sheet and we'll see. So data structures and algorithm is like foundation of foundation of computer science. So DSA is like at the core of computer science and education. It's impossible to do something without data structures and algorithm in today's world. Okay, so data structures and algorithm is like providing the fundamental about how to organize, how to store, and how to manipulate the data effectively, or how we can solve some computational problems using data structures and algorithms. So like these are few things about data structures and algorithms. So very first point, if I will say, this is like foundation of computer science. Okay, so we have seen so many things in computer science, right? So this is very foundation, like very foundation of this computer science. So these concepts are not tied with any specific programming language. It is not like used only in C or C++ or Java or something like that. It is not a specific tied to anything. It's programming language independent. Okay, so this is to understand the basic of computational and anything, we have to understand this data structures and algorithms. So the very first time point is, it is foundation of computer science. The second point is software development. So in software development, right, data structures are very essential for writing efficient code, understanding which data structure to use in a given situation, or like, you know in what situation which data structure to use. Why? Because this can significantly impact performance and the scalability of the software application. So these are really important. So for example, if like for example, if you know the array or linked list, right? So when to use array and when to use linked list, or in which situation which you should use has map, binary search. So this things if you know, this will make a very big difference. The Like, you can do the any operation in a very efficient way, like searching, sorting, accessing these things. So you should be knowing this data structures algorithm. So somewhere, right, for software development also, we can say this data structures and algorithm is very important. Apart from that, the tech industry growth also, if you will see, right, as we have seen just now, how the tech industry growth is happening. So we have seen, like, in 4.0, we have seen tons of technologies came up. So in 5.0 also, we like 5.0 in. So I would say, like, in most of the countries, like country like China or USA, there some of the cities like Beijing or New York City, there is, like, right now itself, uh, people are into the industrial revolution 5.0. There, the extent of automation is like so high, so they are into industry 5.0. So the tech industry growth which is happening, technology industry is continuously expanding with new software application platform and services, and this is being developed all the time. So as the complexity as the complexity and the scale of software system increases, so the use of so we need a developer who is understanding how to design and implement a efficient algorithm and data structures and you know algorithms and data structures. So, like, this demand is unlikely to diminish as long as the technologies continue in the market. So it's impossible to diminish, like, it will be there. So tech industry growth, the way tech industry growth is happening, this concepts will be definitely in the market. Apart from that, if you will talk, we'll say the competitive advantages is also there. Okay, so competitive advantages, when I said competitive advantages, what I mean by that, right, is suppose there is a company A, right? And this company have a competitor B. This company is producing a product B, and this company is producing a product B1. So at this point, this company made a product. So this company is also having the similar product because this is a competitor of this company. So this company will always go for a product which is more scalable, more efficient than this company's product. So what this company will look for, they will look for the people who is very good at DSA kind of system design kind of concept. So these things will never fade away because this is very very fundamental of computer science. So that is what in the competitive world we have that advantage as well. So so this is that way, this is very very important. So this can like in this way, if you are designing a product, right, so this can translate into cost saving, improved user experience, and increase customer satisfaction. That's what they will be looking for in today's world. And last but not least, I will talk about the problem solving skills also. If you are good in DSA, then you will be obviously good at your problem solving skills as well. Okay, so that is also one of the thing. So proficiency in data structures and algorithm is not just writing code, right? So it's about developing problem solving skills, the process of analyzing a problem, devising an algorithm solution and implementing it requires, like, you really requires a critical thinking and creativity and the attention of details. So these things, you need it. So these skills are very very valuable in wide range of field beyond the software development. So like either you are in any industry, either you are in finance, healthcare, media or entertainment, education, other government sector, wherever you are working in. So problem solving skills is needed everywhere. So this is beyond the software development or the technological trend. If you are good into problem solving skills, this will help you everywhere. So yeah, this is like the importance. You can see this is like very very important from this term. Okay. So yeah, I think that's all for this. If you know more about like the application of the data structures and algorithm, let me know. Comment out like what are all the other things you think where you can implement this data structures and algorithm. Okay, so yeah, you should like either you start today or tomorrow. You have to start the data structures algorithm. At the end of the day, you if you want to become a good software developer, or if you want to come into tech industry, or if you want to make your career into computer science world, so you have to definitely at some point start learning data structures and algorithm and do more and more problems. So this is how it is important. So I think that's all for this video. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.